by the decision, lumabas lang siya nung sinabi kong may gagawin ang ombudsman tungkol dyan. So, it's a surprise, secret decision that came out.
So it was a secret, sir?
Well, nobody was raising that issue before. Joel Villanueva kept quiet through all the years. Ombudsman Martinez never spoke about it. Di ba? Parang secret decision siya. Alam niyo ba yun? Did you know about it? Nobody knows about it.
Sir, sabi po ni Senator Joel Villanueva, sabi niya daw po, sir, na dismiss naman daw po in harassment and fake news daw po yung sinabi.
Well, harassment, it's not harassment. It's something that everybody thinks to be still valid, that can turn out to be not valid anymore due to a secret decision. Dapat kasi, hindi naman na-publish yan, hindi yan nilabas. Nobody knew about it. Kahit nasa Senate mismo, hindi nila alam yan. Even Tito Soto didn't know about it. Ngayon lang nila nilabas. So don't you call that a secret decision?
But sir, what about the people here at the Ombudsman's office? Siyempre, alam din dapat nila yan, sir.
Exactly. Nobody was raising any issue about it before this.
Sir, may sabuatan bang